Tita Maria and Tito Peng. Congratulations and Tito Peng and Tita Maria. Happy birthday. Tita Maria, happy birthday. Pepeng and Tita Maria. I have that. Great, Mama.
Ano?
Congrats, Tito Pepeng and Tita Maria. Happy wedding. Are you copying me? Why are you copying me? Why you copying? Happy heart! Happy heart! Happy wedding. Congrats, Tito Pepeng and Tita Marilla. Why you... Wedding, Tita Marilla. Congrats. Oh, I forgot. Congrats, Tito Pepeng and Tita Marilla. Wedding, Tita Pepeng and Tita Marilla. Tita Marilla. Happy heart. Mwah. Mwah. Heart. Heart. Happy heart, Tita Marilla, Tita Peng, Tita Marilla. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday.
Congrats kay Mariela! Enjoy yung pagiging mag-asawa. Sana all. Sana maging masaya yung pagsasama. Welcome to married life. No more LDR. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi.
Tita Pepeng and Tita Marilla. And Tita Marilla. Happy heart, Tita Marilla, Tita Peng, Tita Marilla. I love you,
Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Congratulations to Peng and Mariela. Alam ko matagal nyo ng pinagandaan to. Ngayon natupad na. Wish ko lang sa tumagal yung pagsasama at maging masaya bangon yung pagsasama. Welcome to our family, Mariela.
Ayan, thank you very much for that wonderful video greetings. Surprise po talaga yun para sa ating newlywed. Nagustuhan niyo po ba, Mr. and Mrs. Mendoza? Nagustuhan naman. Thank you so much. And